Hey y'all, what is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do an update. What do you say? An update. Alright, with the closing private signing for the Warrington Gillette and the Amy Steele and Brad Horton, they're still live for now, so you better get those while you can. And also, Wednesday was the ending for the private signing for Sean Young that we know her from Stripes, Blade Runner, Ace Ventura, Pet Detective, and other projects she had done. That ended already as of Wednesday. So with all that, now we have a new one, ladies and gentlemen. And what is this one? It's the Ken Kernzinger. What? Ken Kernzinger, who played, well, he was the stunt double in Friday the 13th Part 8, Jason Takes Manhattan, doubling Kane Hodder, but he is in the movie playing a dishwasher guy, and he gets grabbed by Jason and then tossed to a mirror in the restaurant scene in the film. So yeah. So y'all, here it is. You have until July 29th. So you're good for now, dudes and dudettes. So let's take a look at what we have. They have all sorts. Funko Pops, hockey mask. All right, now let's take a look at that. So if you want to, if you already know about this, you already know what congestion is. But also stick with pre-order. Just do that. Also, let's take a look at what we have here for your choice of autographs. Okay. Let's eliminate 8x10s. Okay. 8x10. You see Jason standing. Another one is where he's confronting Freddy during the fight scene. And then another one of him looking on the side. And the third, hold on. And another one being the, hold on. Another one being the poster confrontation. Hold on, this one. Alternate poster. 8x10. And then you have another confrontation, which is in the dream sequence. And then another one is the fighting scene in the movie. And then you have another one where Jason's walking through the woods. And last but not least, posing with a machete. Very cool. So the 8x10 is going to cost you in the vicinity of $50 bucks. Okay, let's take a look at the 11x14s. Same thing. They'll cost you about $55. So you have the 8x10s, and then you have some 11x14s. Okay. What are these particular ones? 12x18 is the movie poster. Yes, the movie poster that you see in the film. Pretty cool. And here's another one. Oh, now this one's awesome, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty cool indeed. And then, hold on. All right, so here we have the all-in-one. The ones, hold on a second, folks. So the posters that are 12x18 is going to cost you $65 just to be verifying. $65. Okay, the all-in-one, the all sizes, the one sizes, which are the hockey mask, is going to cost you $95. And let's see how much is for the Funko. Presumably, yes, it is $95. So yeah, folks, you enjoy this so far? Well, subscribe to CSR Collectibles YouTube channel, but also follow these people and buy whatever you like, and they'll be notifying you on your email for any % off, including coupons. Yes. So already know, 8x10 is going to cost you about $50. The bigger ones, $55. The posters are going to cost you $65. Hockey mask and Funko Pop, $95. So yeah, y'all, just letting you all know about what's about to go on. Well, anyways, links in the description box down below. So anyways, everyone, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you and enjoy the summer. Signing off, y'all. Be safe, y'all.